Welcome home. This is a beautiful property and I'm very excited to show all of the features and amenities of this property to you. As you can see, we are in Dunnellon, Florida, and this is a lovely location, tucked back, mini farm area that really caters to nature lovers and small farm enthusiasts. So this property is set up where you can have some animals. It's fully fenced and gated. You can see we have a beautiful entry foyer with a coat closet, dining room to the right here, and to the left we have the family room and the formal living room area. So this house has a lot of great space to work with, and it is updated with new windows, double pane tilt windows, so some energy efficiency here with this home as well. We've got a nice spacious kitchen, beautiful wood cabinets, lots and lots of cabinets, a great pantry, split bedroom floor plan. So to the left side of the home we have the 2 guest bedrooms. I'll show you those. All the bedrooms have walk-in closets. So that's a lovely feature to this home that adds additional storage space and functionality. So this is the first guest bedroom, and we'll take a peek here in this closet. Look at all that space you have. You'll notice all the natural light that flows through with the beautiful updated windows. Guest bathroom, tub shower combo here. And then the 3rd bedroom, 2nd of the guest bedrooms. Even larger walk-in closet on this bedroom. This property is 2.5 acres, and it is just steps away from the Ross Prairie State Forest. And in that forest you have miles and miles of trails for horseback riding, hiking, all sorts of activities that you can do. We're also close to water activities, so that's another feature of this area. But if you have horses, it's an easy access for trail riding. And then also it's only 30 minutes to get to the World Equestrian Center, which is a big attraction as far as horse enthusiasts go. This is the primary bedroom suite. We have the bathroom with a shower, a nice large soaker tub, 2 sinks, so fully equipped. This house did get a new roof put on in 2009, so it is the roof is newer. Nice laundry room area. You see you have a laundry tub, and then we have space for shoes and coats as well. You can see the horses there on the neighboring property. Again, fully fenced in, some nice shade trees here, so if you have animals they'll be comfortable with the shade. And this is the carport. Storage can be used as a shelter for the animals. Really great space. We've got a couple of closed-in storage areas on either side. Wonderful for storing equipment or feed, tack, whatever you might have need to store. And that is a concrete pad, so you can park under the carport, and it's a well-built structure. So just a quick little tour of the 2.5 acres here. Really nice, expansive space here for whatever you would decide you want to do with this. And again, if we look right on under the power lines that you can see there, that is the trailhead for the Ross Prairie State Forest. So you simply go out your front gate, right down the road, just a quick jog down the street, and you are on the trails and in the state forest. So this is a spectacular option for anyone that's looking for acreage, a beautiful move-in ready home, and also the ability to have a farm, have animals, and live in the peace and quiet of the country. And the location is awesome because we are in Marion County, but we're very close to Citrus for the nice things that you can enjoy in Citrus County, the water activities. And Marion County has a lot of food and entertainment. And then it's also an easy commute to get to the attractions like Disney and Tampa for shopping and restaurants. So there's just a lot to do around here, and yet you get to live in the country and enjoy the peace and quiet of the country setting. So if this seems to be something that you are interested in, let me show you the screen porch because I don't think we actually came on the screen porch yet. If this is something that you're interested in, please give my team a call. We would love to give you a private tour of this home. Our office line is 352-794-1426. And as usual, please like and subscribe to this channel so you stay tuned for future videos as they become available. Have a great day.